Hi, I'm Lotus with the Alternative to Med Center. In this video, we're going to cover some frequently asked questions about holistic sleep support and natural ways to improve your rest. Let's get started. Number 1, how can I sleep without sleep meds? At the Alternative to Med Center, we begin by taking a deep dive into why each individual experiences sleep difficulties. Whether that's due to poor sleep hygiene, stress, or environmental toxins, our approach incorporates relaxing herbs, targeted supplements, and education on a healthy sleep routine. We also integrate our detoxification program to reduce any environmental toxins that may be contributing to sleep disturbances. This holistic approach helps our clients restore balance, laying the foundation for naturally reclaiming restful sleep without the need for medications. Number 2, does heavy metal toxicity cause sleeplessness? Absolutely. A heavy metal burden, particularly mercury toxicity, can disrupt sleep. Mercury interferes with the serotonin pathway by impairing the conversion of tryptophan to 5-HTP, then to serotonin, and ultimately to melatonin. Since serotonin plays a key role in reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation, this disruption can lead to heightened anxiety and difficulty falling or staying asleep. Ultimately, toxic metal accumulation undermines the natural processes necessary for restorative sleep. Number 3, how does chelation work? Chelation is a targeted process for removing toxic heavy metals like mercury, lead, and arsenic from the body. These metals tend to accumulate in fat cells and vital organs. Chelating agents such as DMSA, DMPS, and calcium EDTA work much like a magnet, binding to these metals so that they can be safely eliminated through urine, stool, and sweat. It's important to know that chelation can also remove essential minerals, so supplementing with these minerals throughout this process is crucial to maintain balance. At the Alternative to Med Center, we offer both pharmaceutical and plant-based chelation options, ensuring that safety and close supervision are maintained throughout the treatment. Number 4, what's a good sleep routine? A consistent sleep routine is key to improving sleep quality. We recommend our clients to set a regular bedtime and wake time to regulate your circadian rhythm. Avoid screens and blue light at least an hour before bed. Incorporate relaxing techniques like deep breathing, reading, meditation, or gentle stretching. Use calming supplements, tinctures, and herbal teas. Create a cool, dark, and quiet sleep environment to support melatonin production. Eat a protein-rich snack if needed to stabilize blood sugar and prevent nighttime wakings. At the Alternative to Med Center, we encourage a healthy sleep routine to support the body's natural rhythms and achieve the best possible results for restful sleep. Number 5, are there IV treatments that can help me sleep? Yes, we offer IV treatments at our detox shop designed to support sleep. Depending on your individual needs, our naturopathic team will recommend an NAD+ drip or a calming blend enriched with essential minerals and amino acids to help restore balance and promote restful sleep. Number 6, can I heal from insomnia? Yes, insomnia is often a symptom of underlying imbalances, and with the right approach, healing is possible. At the Alternative to Med Center, we consider factors like nutrient deficiencies, neurotransmitter imbalances, environmental toxins, and stress. Through biodiverse nutrition, detoxification, targeted supplementation, and lifestyle adjustments, we begin to restore the body's natural ability to achieve restful sleep. Number 7, how to break the cycle of waking up in the middle of the night. To break the cycle of waking in the middle of the night, it's important to focus on both your bedtime routine and your response when you wake up. First, set yourself up for success with a relaxing wind-down routine. This can include a warm bath or shower, gentle yoga, meditation, or reading a calming book. These practices help signal to your nervous system that it's time to rest, allowing your body to ease into deeper, more restorative sleep. If you do wake up in the middle of the night, avoid reaching for your phone. The blue light emitted from the screens can disrupt melatonin production, making it even harder to fall back asleep. Instead, if you find yourself lying awake for more than 20 minutes, get out of bed and do something quiet and relaxing. Try stretching, reading under a soft light, taking a natural sleep-supporting supplement. This helps prevent your brain from associating your bed with being awake. Once you feel drowsy again, return to bed and give sleep another chance. Consistency is key. With time, your body and brain can relearn how to stay asleep and respond more calmly to nighttime awakenings. Number 8, what are the most common sleep issues treated at ATMC? We address a wide range of sleep imbalances, including difficulty falling asleep, trouble staying asleep, poor quality, lack of sleep, and waking up feeling unrested. Each person's sleep challenges are unique, and we create individualized plans to support the body's natural sleep cycles to encourage lasting improvements. Number 9, can you discuss a case of success from healing sleeplessness at ATMC? One case that stands out is a client who had struggled with chronic insomnia for years, relying on prescription sleep medications like Ambien, Trazodone, and Seroquel without lasting relief and experiencing negative side effects. Despite increasing dosages, the sleep remained fragmented, and she felt dependent on medications. Through our comprehensive approach, we identified underlying factors, including high cortisol levels, neurotransmitter imbalances, and heavy metal toxicity. We implemented a tailored plan that included targeted supplementation, a structured detoxification protocol, and lifestyle adjustments, such as blood sugar stabilization and stress reduction techniques. Within the length of her stay, her sleep improved, and they successfully tapered off the sleep medication. This case demonstrates how addressing the root causes, rather than just symptoms, can restore the body's natural ability to sleep, leading to lasting healing. Number 10, what's the best natural sleep remedy? There isn't a one-size-fits-all answer, as the best remedy depends on the individual's needs. At the Alternative to Med Center, we developed specialized herbal tinctures that can be highly effective. We also see great results with amino acids like L-tryptophan, glycine, L-theanine, and melatonin, as well as essential minerals like magnesium, which support relaxation and sleep quality. Our approach is always personalized to find the most effective solution for each person. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you or someone you love is struggling with sleep or looking for holistic support, don't hesitate to reach out to us at the Alternative to Med Center. We're here to walk alongside you on your journey for better rest and overall wellness. Have a beautiful day.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For information about Alternative to Med Center, give us a call at 888-984-9667.